Hello everyone and welcome back to From City to Country. We are on our way to collect a swarm of bees. Someone contacted us and said they have a swarm that's just settled there about a couple hours ago, and we're on our way there now. So yeah, they contacted us and said if we want to come collect it, we can. They just went back there and they said that the swarm is still there. So it's been there since 2 o'clock, they said. And it's now like 4:15 or 4:20 in the afternoon. So they've been there a while. So we've got our swarm trap in the back here and all our bee gear and the bee suits and the bee equipment and stuff. And yeah, we should be there in probably about, I don't know, the next 40 minutes or so. But yeah, it's funny because just today we happened to catch another swarm of bees as well. We missed that one. This morning we went there, well I went there, and I saw 1 or 2 bees. I was like, oh, nothing new, because that's how it was for like the past week. And then just after lunchtime I went there and it was just full of bees, and I was like, oh, we caught another swarm. So we caught a swarm this morning, it seems, or around lunchtime, and we're off to collect another swarm. Hopefully they stay there until we reach. So yeah, we'll keep you updated. So we're at the location where the swarm is. It's at a paddock right up here, parked over here, but the fence has barbed wire, so I've had to come over on this side to start collecting the swarm. It's a very small swarm. I thought it was bigger, but I'll take what I can get. This is the swarm. It's on a fence post. So far they seem really gentle. Yeah. I'm looking to see if I spot the queen. But it looks like I'm gonna have to smoke them in so they calm down, because there's a few stragglers that seem to be interested in my bee suit at the moment. Hopefully this swarm is like the one we caught back home and not vicious or anything. But yeah.
Any spot the queen yet?
Wow. No, not yet.
Yes.
Yeah, well, fair enough, I suppose.
Where they going? Are they still coming back?
They're going this way.
Yeah.
I think the queen's here.
Is there a clump on the branch there?
Yeah.
Do you need the queen clip?
No, I don't see her yet. I think she's here.
Yeah, loads of bees. Sorry?
I think she's here.
You see her?
No, not yet.
Okay.
Yeah, they're building home already. So yeah, we've got the majority of them in. We haven't spotted the queen, but we assume because they're all here, the queen's inside the box. But this is what they were doing on the post. Look at that. It looks like they were planning on staying here for a while. And over here on the barbed wire. And here they were starting to build as well. We put a bee bridge here so the stragglers down below can come here. You can see that they're waving their, or fanning their wings to tell the others that hasn't come yet that we're over here now and this is our new home. This is just a piece of cardboard that we put here. But it looks like they were trying to make home in the crevice of this fence post. There's still a few on this side. Oh, down below. Yeah. A few stragglers. Not getting the message yet. These ones are more vicious though. Definitely more vicious. But still okay. We ran out of smoke, so TK is just sorting us out so we can get the stragglers in. The kids are playing with the dog and the horses. Yeah, thank you. The smoke bees to get them to join these girls over here. They keep coming here. I think we have to clean this off. They keep coming back up here.
Do they?
Yeah, maybe it still smells like the queen. We've sealed the top shut for now, and we've opened the entryway over here. So we basically gave them what they wanted, which is a safe place. And here was just open, and as you can see, rain clouds are beginning to form, so they would not have survived very long, I don't think. I got my first sting on this finger through this gloves. I pulled the stinger out, but yeah, oof. It felt like getting an injection in my finger, but that was about it. Oh, they're coming up the bee bridge. They're getting the message. Join these girlies over here. Good. I think we'll stay here maybe about 10 more minutes and see if we can leave. We'll close up this box. Just cleaning off. the thing with beekeeping is it's the experience that really makes you become a good beekeeper. And we were thrown into the deep end on 2 occasions, and this is definitely a first for us, catching a swarm of bees that has basically been on someone else's property. And yeah, we've had no experience before. The only lessons we've really had, practical lessons, is what we've seen on YouTube of what people do, and basically that's what we did just now. And the bee seems happy. We have not been able to spot the queen. We were hoping we could, but we're trying to, you know, move as quickly as possible. But all the bees are moving into the swarm trap, and that means that the queen is likely in there, and there's no more bees on the posts anymore. So we're giving them a few minutes to get in because it's coming towards the end of the day and the rain is looking like it wants to fall. So I think we came just in time for this swarm of bees. The temperature has changed and all of a sudden it's really windy. So I'm gonna head back up to the car. I had to cross over here because the paddock has barbed wire. So I couldn't cross here, so I had to walk all the way to the opposite end of where the swarm is and walk back up on the opposite side of the fence to finish off. Yeah, but there was a cavity in the fence post that the bees were trying to go into. We got there in time. The rain's definitely looking like it's wanting to fall. Look at those clouds. Wow. We did bring the kids with us. They're having fun with the horses on the paddock and the owner's dogs. Playing catch. There's TK in the distance there in his bee suit. Yeah, the bees are okay actually. So the majority of them are in there now. Guys, they're going in. We think we've got the queen, because otherwise there's no way they're going in there. Fascinating. So that's a wrap, folks. We've just collected our second swarm for the day.
For the day?
With the kids in the car. How do you feel today went?
I didn't get stung today, so that was the upside.
But it was quite exciting, you know?
Yeah, it was. I think the people who called us were more excited than us, because obviously, we were excited.
We were excited.
Yeah.
They said it was fascinating for them to watch us do it.
Yeah.
And I think they thought that we were really experienced, but to be honest, this was the first official one that we actually had to remove from someone else's property.
Yeah. And we winged it as well, so you know, it's it was like a baptism of fire.
We got thrown into the deep end, that's for sure.
Yeah.
Guys, if you're wondering where the bees are in the boot, in the swarm trap, and they are sealed in, but with some vents, so they can breathe. If you listen really, really closely, you could hear some humming. But yeah, that's about it. They're in there. We drilled the lid shut, so there's no way they can, you know, escape. If we go over a speed bump, they won't escape from us. So we feel pretty safe in here for now. Now here's the swarm of bees that we caught today at the horse paddock. We're gonna give the bees some time to settle in overnight, and see how they are tomorrow morning.
Swarm number 1 and swarm number 2.
It's the next day. The bees seems to be getting themselves orientated with the new environment, and so far they seem pretty happy. So that brings our video to a wrap. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care and God bless.